Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the solution of count artifacts that can be extracted from the weekly contest of LeetCode. We have given n into n grid, 0 indexed grid. So and we have also given uh, artifacts vector and dig vector. So in the artifacts vector we have given the top left coordinate of the artifact. This is top left corner of the artifact, and this is bottom right corner of the artifact. And in the dig array we have given xy coordinates, which we will dig uh, into the grid. So for first sample test case, we have given two artifacts, 0 0 and 0 0, then which means the top left corner of this artifact is also 0 0, and bottom right is also 0 0. So it only contains one cell. For this artifact we have given 0 1 and 1 1. So 0 1 is the top left, and 1 1 is the bottom right, and we have given 0 0 and 0 1. So in the dig vector, so we have to dig 0 0 and 0 1. So if we dig out 0 0 and 0 1, then we can see that this artifact can be extracted, but this can't be extracted because of 1 1 is not digged yet, and it is given that you have to uh, dig all the cells which contain artifact to dig out that artifact, to extract that artifact. So only one artifact can be extracted, so we output one. In this sample test case, the artifacts are same, but the dig array contains 1 1, and we will also dig this 1 1 cell. So now we can extract both the artifacts. So the answer is 2, and the n is 1000. That we can also do brute force approach, apply brute force approach here, and the time complexity doesn't matter much here. So what we will do is we will create a grid of n into n, boolean array of n into n. Uh, we will create a boolean grid of n into n of n into n size. Then we will initialize it to false, and we will iterate through dig, and we will uh, make the cell true, make each coordinate true of the dig. So what will happen is we will have an boolean grid which uh, which gives us the status of the cell, that it is digged up or not. And lastly we will iterate through artifacts, and then we will check if the artifact is able to, are we able to extract that artifact or not. So let's first create a boolean array of n into n size, and we will iterate through it, and uh, we will initialize each element to false. So no cell is digged up yet. I j equals to false, and then we will firstly check the size of the dig array. So size, and we will iterate through it. I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus s plus, and what we will do is arr dig ith 0th, this is the x coordinate, and dig of ith first, this is y coordinate, and we will make it true. Now we have boolean array which says if which tells us the status of the cell, each cell. Now we will initialize what you can say n as artifacts dot size. Then we will iterate through each artifact, and we will iterate through each cell of the artifact. So for that, first we will iterate through the cell rows, artifacts 0. So this is x coordinate, so the first row, and j is less than or equal to artifacts 2. So this is the x coordinate of bottom right corner, and j plus plus. Similarly, we will do this again for the columns. uh, just we have to change here k 0 to 1, here k again, k, and here 3. So now we will check if yeah, so here we will check if the boolean array, which is I j no sorry j k is equal to false. So if it hasn't digged yet digged up, so we can say that we will let's say for each artifact we will create a flag if it is we are able to extract it or not. So if any cell is not digged up, then the flag will become 0. And what we will do, we will initialize answer integer, because we have to answer the number of artifacts that can be extracted, and then we will add flag to the answer, and we will return answer. Let's try to run the code. Oh sorry, we're sorry, n is already given, and this we can so let's use m because n is given. Yeah, now let's try. Let's use all the sample test case. Yeah, so that matches the answer. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, so as you can see, the answer is accepted. So I hope you understand the logic behind this, and if it is helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.